This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Acorn Stairlift batteries. Begin by unplugging the stairlift from mains and switching off the external power. Next, remove the seat or cover to access the battery compartment carefully. Note battery type and orientation, usually 212V sealed lead-acid batteries. Take photos for reference, then disconnect negative terminal first. Keep terminals clean and secure, and prepare new batteries for installation, following polarity exactly. Before you begin installation, confirm the exact battery part numbers and order matching replacements from a reputable supplier. Unpack the new batteries and top them off with a full charge on a compatible charger following manufacturer guidance. Lay out fresh tools and a clean workspace near the stairlift to minimize carrying heavy cells. Inspect existing wiring harnesses and connections for fraying or corrosion, and replace any compromised components before fitting new batteries. With new batteries charged and workspace ready, remove the old batteries by disconnecting the negative lead first, then the positive lead. Lift out the batteries using proper lifting technique and avoid tipping them to prevent acid risk. Place the new batteries into the compartment in the exact orientation, secure straps or brackets, and reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Test the stairlift on battery power and confirm charge indicator behavior and smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.